Hottest, coldest, highest, deepest. Written by Steve Jenkins. If you could visit any spot on Earth, where would you go? What if you wanted to see some of the most amazing natural wonders in the world? There are deserts that haven't seen rain for hundreds of years, and jungles where it pours almost every day. There are places so cold that even in the summer it's below freezing, and spots where it's often hot enough to cook an egg on the ground. There are mountains many miles high and ocean trenches that are even deeper. You can find rivers thousands of miles long and waterfalls thousands of feet high. Where are the very hottest and coldest, windiest and snowiest, highest and deepest places on Earth? Travel the world and visit the planet records holders. The Nile in Africa is the longest river in the world. It is 4,145 miles long. The Amazon River in South America is not as long, 4,007 miles, but it is considered mightier because it carries half of all the river water in the world. The Yangtze in Asia, 3,964 miles long, and the Mississippi, Missouri in the United States, 3,710 miles long, are the world's third and fourth longest rivers. Lake Baikal in Russia is the world's oldest and deepest lake. The lake was formed about 25 million years ago. In one spot, it is 5,134 feet deep. The largest freshwater lake in the world is Lake Superior, one of the Great Lakes in North America, at 31,700 square miles. But Lake Baikal, at 5,500 square miles, contains more water than any other lake on Earth, more than all 5 Great Lakes combined. Mount Everest is the highest mountain in the world. Its peak is 29,028 feet above sea level. The highest mountain in North America is Mount McKinley, also called Denali, in Alaska, at 20,320 feet. Mount Whitney in California is the highest peak in the continental United States. Its summit is 14,491 feet above sea level. Mount Everest is considered the highest mountain above sea level in the world, but it's not really the tallest. Measured from its base on the floor of the ocean, Mauna Kea in Hawaii is 33,476 feet tall. Only the top 13,796 feet of Mauna Kea are above sea level. Mount Everest rises from a plateau that is already 17,000 feet above sea level, so one would have to climb only about 12,000 feet to reach its summit. Mount McKinley in Alaska is almost 20,000 feet from base to summit. The hottest spot on the planet is Alazizia Libya in the Sahara, where a temperature of over 136 degrees Fahrenheit has been recorded. The hottest temperature ever recorded in the United States is 134.6 degrees Fahrenheit in Death Valley, California. The coldest place on the planet is Vostok, Antarctica. A temperature of 129 degrees below zero was recorded there. It is so cold at the South Pole that the average summer temperature is negative 58 degrees Fahrenheit. The coldest temperature ever recorded in the United States is negative 80 degrees Fahrenheit at Prospect Creek Camp in Alaska. The wettest place on Earth is Tutaneno, Colombia, where an average of 463 inches of rain falls every year. Mount Wailea on the island of Kauai in Hawaii has the most rainy days, 350 a year. On the island of La Reunion in the Indian Ocean, more than 61 inches of rain fell in a single day. The driest place is the Atacama Desert in Chile, where no rain has fallen for the last 400 years. Any place that receives less of precipitation a year is considered a desert. The driest place in the United States is Death Valley, California, where only about 1 1/2 inches of rain falls every year. The windiest spot on Earth is atop Mount Washington in New Hampshire. A wind speed of 231 miles per hour has been recorded there. It is also very windy near the tops of the world's highest mountains, the Himalayas. Many of these peaks are tall enough to reach the jet stream, a narrow, strong air current that is found above 28,000 feet. The world's highest waterfall is Angel Falls in Venezuela. It is 3,212 feet high. Angel Falls is more than 17 times higher than Niagara Falls at 180 feet. In New York State, Victoria Falls in Zimbabwe, Africa, carries more water than any other waterfall. It is 355 feet high. The deepest spot in the ocean is the Marianas Trench in the Philippines. It is 36,202 feet deep. The average depth of the world's oceans is about 3 miles or 16,000 feet. The lowest spot on dry land is the shore of the Dead Sea at 1,100 feet below sea level. The world's most active volcano is Sangay in Ecuador. Since 1937, it has erupted once every 24 hours on an average. It once erupted more than 400 times in a single day. Other very active volcanoes include Coloma in Mexico. It has erupted regularly since 1560. Also in Japan, erupting since 533, and Mount Etna in Italy, erupting regularly since 1500 BC. The most extreme tides occur in the Bay of Fundy in Nova Scotia, Canada. There, the water level rises and falls more than 50 feet every 6 hours. The tide here comes in so fast that it can overtake a person trying to outrun it. The snowiest place on Earth is Mount Rainier in Washington State. One year, more than 1,200 inches of snow fell there. Mount Rainier is covered in snow the whole year. Some of the snow has formed glaciers, masses of ice that move slowly down the mountain under their own weight.